Let's see how to fix the table of contents in your Microsoft Word document. So first off, we would want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see here, we have our document ready. Now to create your table of contents, simply click on the References tab, click on Table of Contents right here, and click on Custom Table of Contents. Now, for example, our table of contents, if we don't align the page numbers, would look like this. As you can see, it's all just words and numbers and isn't really helpful. Now let's say that we want to align these page numbers. Now highlight your table, click on Table of Contents, and click on Custom Table, and check this box right here, which will align the page numbers. And just click Yes, and that should do the work. Now let's say that the pages of your document changed. So for example, we currently have our heading number 1 on page 2, and let's go ahead and change that and move it into page 3. As you can see here, we are now on page 3 with heading 1. And as you can see right here, our table of contents still show that our heading number 1 is in page 2. So to fix this, simply right click on your table of contents and click on Update Field, and you will have the option to update page numbers only or the entire table if ever you change the names. So for now, we'll only click Update the page numbers. So let's go ahead and click OK. And as you can see, the pages have now been adjusted to their particular page in the document. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.